that jumped off my horse named Kyra.
Whoa, what is that?
She brings a frog in the house, a bullfrog.
She did?
Huh.
Kylie Bell, is that a bullfrog? What's a bullfrog do?
Okay.
Does it go ribbit, ribbit?
It says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
It does?
Yeah, that was that bullfrog killed his son.
Really? Once upon a time.
I jumped off my horse named Kyra.
And then what happened?
And I done bucking and I got guns in my holster.
You did?
And I shot the bad guy.
You shot the bad guy. Oh, looky here. Looky here. Oh. 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 Thank you. Oh, that's sweet. Mwah.
Where's your pumpkin?
I don't know. Where did they go? Here you go.
They're back there.
From Halloween?
They're back there?
No, they're not in there no more.
Why?
Because it's not Halloween no more. It's almost your birthday. What are you going to get for your birthday?
I'm going to get a little BB gun.
A little BB gun.
And I'm going to get 2 BB guns.
2 of them?
And I'm going to get a big gun, too.
Wow. And then what are you going to do?
I'm going to shoot the bad guy off the horse.
You are?
Wow.
Wow.
And say, here's a big
Ah.
big gun. You bad guy.
Amen.
And
Ah.
shut that. Shut that bad guy.
You did?
What?